Welcome. This is IBDP AAHL Time Zone 2, Paper 2 of May-June 2022, Question Paper 2, Question number 9. Consider the 6-digit positive integers that can be formed. So I have to form 6-digit positive integer first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, without any restrictions, and the digits are distinct, means the first one cannot be filled with 0. So it can be filled in 9 ways. For example, any one of the digit is over. So for the second digit, again I can fill it out in 9 ways. Now the third digit can be filled in 8 ways. It keeps on decreasing. One digit is getting over because the digits are distinct, means not repeated. What is the meaning of distinct? Not repeated. So next one will be 7 ways, then it will be 6 ways and 5 ways. So multiply 9 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, which is going to be, when you multiply that, you should be getting that answer as 136080. Now for the next part, the digits are distinct and are increasing order. Out of 9 digits, I should choose 6 digits. It can be done in 96 ways, but they should be in increasing order. There can be only one way for increasing order. So that is just only 96, which is 84. Now a scientist conducted a 9-week experiment on 2 plants, A and B, on the same species. Plant A was given fertilizer, plant B wasn't. Their heights are given by this formula. Use the scientist model to find the initial height of plant B. So height of plant B will be equal to 8 times 0 plus 32, which is 32 centimeters. Plant A correct to 3 significant figures. Height of plant A will be sine of 2 times 0 plus 6 plus 9 times 0 plus 27, which is going to be 26.7 centimeters. Then find the value of t when both are equal. So plot the graph for both. Sine 2t plus 6 plus 9t plus 27 equals to 8t plus 32. Use the points of intersection. You should be getting this as the points of intersection. But you should be always writing in 3 significant figures. So 4.01, 4.70, 5.88. For t greater than 6, prove that the plant A is always taller than plant B. So h of A minus h of B, we are going to find it out, which is sine 2t plus 6 plus 9t minus plus 9t plus 27 minus 8t plus 32. So see, what am I doing? Sine of 2t plus 6 plus 9t plus 27 minus 8t minus 32. So what does that becomes? Sine of 2t plus 6 plus t minus 5. Now what is the thing is, we know that t minus for t greater than 6. If t is greater than 6, t minus 5 will be always greater than 1. So this value will be greater than 1. And sine minimum value is minus 1. So this value is always greater than or equals to minus 1. So what will happen is, sine minimum value will be always less than or equals to negative 1. So t minus 5 is greater than 1, and sine maximum value is 1. Maximum value of sine is going to be 1. So we can write it out over here. Over here we can write, what is that? Sine 2t plus 6 always lies between negative 1 and positive 1. So we can see that this HA of t minus HB of t will be greater than 0. greater than 0 if t is greater than 6. That's going to be the reasoning. So better to understand in a clear way once again. We got sine 2t plus 6 plus t minus 5. This value, let it be y. This value lies between negative 1 and positive 1. And this value for t greater than 6 is always greater than 1. So we can see that sum of all this will be always greater than 0. So h of a t minus hb t will be always greater than 0. So h of a t is greater than hb of t. That's going to be the answer.